The new year, 2023, amazing, right? Well, a new year, you know, maybe you're wanting a new trick. Well, I got one for you. So this is one of my favorite things to do. It's a pineapple tea. I know, right? It sounds silly, but it's so wonderful, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, which I totally love. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take pineapple scraps, pineapple core, you know, fresh pineapple, whatever you want, and you're gonna take 2 cups of pineapple and you're gonna put it into a bowl, or a pot actually at home. Bowl here in the studio, pot at home. You're gonna need to cook this, right? I did say tea. So you're gonna take that and put it in there, and then the next thing you're gonna do is you're going to take an orange, and if you watched, and you take the stickers off your oranges, because that is silly. If you watched any of our other videos, you'll know that we take the oranges very seriously and we go all the way around. And I'm showing you again, I'm just kind of going very slow to make one ribbon, because cleaning up is hard to do, right? Or what's that song? I'm not really sure. Anyway, put that in there. Now we're gonna take 1 lemon. I happen to have a Meyer lemon. These will come into season on the East Coast, or delivered to the East Coast right around now. So January, February, you should start seeing them. If you live on the West Coast of the US or someplace a little bit more tropical, well, you have them all year long, so good for you. So use them more then. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna put that in. Again, same peel. That beautiful golden color, it just kills me every time. It smells so good already, and I haven't even done anything else to it. So now you're gonna take that and you're going to put in there, I like to put 1 cinnamon stick, and I can put this all in before I add my hot water. Now, if you're doing this at home, you're going to do this in a little bit differently. You'll put everything in and you'll bring it to a boil over a medium heat, turn it off, cover it, and then use it after the sugar is dissolved. So right now we have the hot water in there, so 2 cups, and we're gonna add 1 cup of sugar. You don't want sugar, don't put it in there. You love sugar, put more sugar in there. I'm gonna use 1 cup to 2 cups of boiling water. And by the magic of design, this is now boiling over medium heat, right? And I said it's ready. This is when you're gonna add your herbs. Now, I'm using a little bit of fresh thyme, it's delicious. I'm gonna put that in, and then I'm gonna use some sage. Sage is wonderful, because even in the wintertime, it grows and it gets this little white fuzziness to it, even though it's not as green as it would be, say, in the summertime. It's wonderful. You're gonna put that in, again, one more time, medium heat, all dissolved, sounds delicious. By the magic of this room, you will be left with some translucent pineapples, deliciousness, and you'll see that your peels are all see-through and lovely. And now, see me on the other side for the cocktail.